Solution Junkie here. Welcome back, guys. And for today's tutorial, I'll walk you through using Cryptoguru step by step. First, you have to head to your App Store and search for Cryptoguru. Download and open the app. Upon opening, choose your language and proceed. You'll be greeted with your virtual balance, including a free $3,000. Click Continue to move forward. Next, claim your daily bonus and explore the shop to find items matching your needs. You can also participate in auctions for unique items and join trading to make real-time decisions. Navigate to the challenges section to earn bonuses by completing the tasks. Try your luck with the lucky spin option or claim daily bonuses. And the trading section, view your open positions, place orders, and execute trades. Explore different marketers and monitor your investments. And the tournament section, watch or participate in tournaments, while the Academy offers resources to learn about trading. Lastly, explore your profile section to track your deals, profits, and other statistics. That's it. This has been Solution Junkie. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.